Good morning, dear students. How are you? This is your math lecture. Book is New Countdown, second edition. Today is Monday, 11th January 2021. I hope you all have enjoyed your winter vacation. Today we will do unit number 13, triangles. Triangle is a geometrical shape that has three sides and three angles. A triangle has six components, namely three sides and three angles. The six parts are known as the six elements of a triangle. We can easily find the area of a triangle by multiplying length into breadth and divided by 2. We can see triangles in pizzas, in the shape of the hills, or in the mountains. According to the classification, triangle can be classified into two groups: triangles by sides and triangles by angles. So, let us start with triangles by sides. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is an angle which have all three equal sides. Its all sides are equal to 60 degrees. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is a triangle which have two sides equal. Scalene triangle. Scalene triangle is a triangle which has no equal sides. Now, let us revise the properties of triangles by side. Equilateral triangles has three equal sides and three equal angles. Isosceles triangle has two equal sides and two equal angles. Scalene triangles has no equal side and no equal angle. Now, triangle by angle. Obtuse angle. Obtuse triangle. Obtuse angle triangle is a triangle which have one obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is an angle which is greater than 90 degree. You can see obtuse angle triangle in the hanger of your clothes. Our next triangle is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle has one angle equals to 90 degree, which is known as right angle triangle. The square box shows the 90 degree angle. Our last angle is acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle has three acute angles and is known as acute angle triangle. We can observe all these angles everywhere. You can find out these angles in the wall clocks, at your laptops or windows. You can also find right angle triangle in the chairs or fans. I hope student you understand the chapter triangle.